All right, we are live. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy MikeShinnery. Today is Monday, August 16th. I got a few thoughts that I wrote down and was watching some streams, and I had some things come to mind. You know what I'm saying? I've been watching my money grow online in multiple different ways. All right, so I'm gonna finish setting up my stream here and give everybody, if we're gonna get anybody come in, I'll give you a few minutes to come in while I set this up. So let's see. First, let's put up the donation jar. There we go. If you guys see something or hear something you like, go ahead and leave something down there in the. Where am I? Down there, right there. Oh, I gotta go the other way. Right there. All right, so that's my Cash App, just MikeShinnery. Easy to remember, no spaces. MikeShinnery. All right. Hit the sub. You guys sub to my channel. If you get anything, any positive information, anything you can use, go ahead and sub to the channel. Leave a like or a dislike. Get some action going, something on the channel, just so I know where you're at. All right. Let's see. I got to get my thing up here. So if anybody does come into the chat and wants to talk, I don't have that weird delay. So let's see if I can find my channel. Boom, boom, boom. Right, I'm getting a little bit better at this, guys. And yeah, I moved my camera a little bit. I want to try different angles, see what I want to work with. Just a sec here. I'm gonna put it on, then I gotta mute it. Camera a little bit. I want to try. Whoa! Shut up. All right. So now I can see the chat. If you guys can hear me, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and press 1 in the chat if you can hear me. Give me something. Let me know that you're here. All right. If not, then we'll move on. We'll carry on. All right. So what we're going to do, some notes I wrote down and some thoughts that I was having. Title today's Due Diligence, Learn the House Rules, Play to Win, and hashtag do more. All right. So first things first, due diligence, right? Everything that you do in your daily life, make sure you do to the best of your abilities. Know what you're getting yourself into. Become a master of the game. All right. And speaking of game, we got to learn the house rules. Okay. Here in America, it's a capitalist country, right? There's 2 sets of rules that are happening here in America. Okay. We got the rules that we're told growing up, right? These are the laws. We have the laws of the land, the laws of man, right? The American laws, rules we got to live by, rules we got to follow, right? But the people who make the laws, they're not playing by the same set of laws, right? They're playing by house rules, okay? And they get to change up the rules as they play the game, as they go along. Kind of like if you ever played Monopoly at home, you guys might, change up, the kitty cash or whatever you put in the middle of the board. You might change up some rules, right? Everybody that plays Monopoly doesn't play by the same exact rules. The get out of jail free cards, the don't pass go, and all of that. Right? You guys might have different rules that you play by. Everybody doesn't follow the specific rules of the game Monopoly as it was written. But what I want to talk to you guys about is learning the house rules. Okay, everything in America, there is a way that the people that are becoming successful, wealthy, and getting ahead of everybody else. We have different classes in America, right? We got the low class, the middle class, and the upper class, right? The high class, or whatever, however you want to call them, right? The people at the top, the 1%ers, right? They're playing by a different set of rules. We got, for instance, here in America, we know of all these rules that keep getting broken, right? But then the people who should get locked up don't get locked up, right? right now in the stock market, everybody knows what's going on with GameStop and AMC and the Wall Street investors, the hedge fund guys. They are placing bets and doing some underhanded, illegal type stuff. The SEC knows about it. The feds know about it, right? But what are they doing? They keep trying to bail out these guys that are losing billions of dollars. And they're losing billions of dollars because they're doing illegal crap in the stock market, right? And so what do we have now? We got the Wall Street bets, right? They came out and said, nah, we're going to put a stop to this. We're gonna hit them hard, right? So now you got a whole bunch of people that are buying up AMC stock, buying up GameStop stock, and they're not selling, right? These hedge fund people need the people that bought AMC and GameStop, they need them to sell their stock, right? In order for them to make their money and stop losing, and they're losing billions, right? One hedge fund company already went out of business. Why? Because they changed up the rules of the game. They were playing by their own rules. And what happened was that a bunch of retail investors, us, the people that they call dumb money, right? You know, they call themselves smart money, those hedge fund guys, right? The people who run the stock market and they make the stock market move around and whatnot. Right. Well, they call the retail investors, us people down here, the workers that go out and put our money and say, I want some Walmart. I want some Nike. You know what I'm saying? I want Blockbuster. Right. The ones that invest and they control the market that way. But what happened was we learned the house rules. Now we're playing by the same rules that they're playing by. OK, so now that we've learned that, we got more control. We got people out there making millions of dollars, not only in the stock market, with the crypto, okay, with other investments, the real estate, things that we weren't supposed to learn, okay? Dumb money wasn't supposed to learn the house rules of America. That was supposed to be only for the wealthy, the people at the top, the 1%ers and their families and friends. That's who was supposed to be getting that money, who's supposed to be breaking out. But now what's happening is when it comes to the wealth class, right, we got people breaking out from the poverty levels, not only up to middle class, but now they're breaking into the top 10% of income in America. Okay. It's because we learned the house rules. All right. And that's why I make these videos. I want you guys to learn the house rules of making money, building wealth, real wealth. Okay, anybody can play the lottery and win some money and get a big chunk of money. But if you don't know what to do with it, you can go from rich to poverty in no time flat. We've all heard the stories. It happens every year, year after year. Somebody wins the lottery, somebody gets a big chunk of money and they lose it. Okay, just like we talked about before, all the athletes, you know, if they don't learn what to do with their money, they make all that money. When they stop balling, when they stop playing the game that they're good at, right? They forgot to get good at the other game, the capitalism game. Okay, they forgot. They didn't learn the house rules. Okay, they go back to what they learned in high school and in college, right? Get a job, you know what I'm saying? Get good at your job, get promoted, pay taxes, you know, pay your taxes. Tax you 37% or whatever the percent is now. I don't know. I've always owned businesses on top of having jobs and stuff like that. Okay, so I've always been in a different tax bracket. I've never been just somebody who had a normal job. I've always owned a business, right? Play by the house rules. Okay, because people who own businesses get different tax benefits than the people who go out and just get good jobs. Okay, now that's what this is here for. Like I said, you stick with me, we're going to get wealthy. Okay, we're going to build that wealth class. Okay, I don't know what to call this. I'm supposed to say this is not financial advice. All right, so it's not then. I'm giving you guys advice for life. The same advice I give to my sons, to my children, to my family. That's what I'm putting out there. So call it what you want. Okay, it might not be financial advice. Fine, let's call it wealth advice. All right, that's what it's going to be. Okay, so just real quick, I'm gonna go through these real quick, these notes. I'm not gonna pull up no stock charts today or nothing like that. I realized last time I pulled up the charts last time, and like majority of the people that were in the room just booked out. They just jumped right out. And I was going to show them something quick, right? I was going to give them a secret that would have helped them make money today. On Friday, I started my video, and the people that left the room, you know what I'm saying? They would have made money today. I made money today. I'm good, right? But for some reason, people have this thing like, man, I can lead you to what do they say, that you can lead a horse to water, but you can't make him drink, right? It is what it is, okay? I'm good, and I'm trying to help other people feel the way I feel right now. No matter what the stock market's doing, I know how to maneuver with it because I know the house rules. What up, Wadner? Yes, sir. Yes, my boy Wadner is in the chat. Oh, you know what? That's why I didn't see it. Hold on. Let me click off this screen right here. Yeah, I got comments up here and I didn't. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. So yeah, we got to learn the house rules, guys. First things first, like I always say, okay, there's four. Where am I? Where's the camera? Okay. 4 ways to build wealth, right? I'll do it quick. Okay. Investing in yourself by owning a business, getting an education that will lead you to making a decent amount of money, right? So you can either own your own business or you get a great education with a good paying job that gives you money to invest in other assets that will help you make more money to, buy more assets. Okay. Because what's going to happen is when the storm comes, okay, and it's coming. I don't know if you guys have been watching. Go on YouTube and just type in crypto, type in money, type in CBDCs, money of the world, currency. Type that stuff in and look at the videos that are being put out there. Okay, the world is changing. The financial world is changing right before right in front of our faces, and they keep distracting us. They're throwing us these distractions right now. Okay, so right now we got the Charlie flu, right? He's gone into his Delta phase, right? Okay, so we in the Delta phase, distraction phase, right? The Delta distraction, okay? And nobody's paying attention to what's happening with the money. Okay, nobody's paying attention to what the banks are doing. What up, Laro? All right, so if you're not paying attention to what's happening with the banks and with the financial system in America, you are about to get screwed. Okay, first bit of advice, like I said, the 4 ways to build wealth. Everybody should go downtown and go file for your own business. Get an LLC. All right, I don't care what it's about. Make sure that you own a business in your name. All right, so that way you can start collecting assets, putting stuff away, right? And you can kind of take it out of your name. It's kind of like I said, house rules, man. When you own a business, learn the rules of business, guys. Okay, you can get your assets and stuff like that put aside so that they can't take it from you. Because you as a person, you're about to get screwed. These banks are doing things right now. They're going to change the money. The money's going to go all digital. All right. All you people that are waiters and waitresses, the Uber drivers, everybody that's depending on tips to add to your income, that's going to start getting taxed. All right. Hey, XRP, right? XLM, yo, I'm in. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of it. I saw Gerald Peters. Yes, sir. Hey, you seen that? You seen them houses he was looking at? Yeah. You know how you do that? You get your own money. You invest in assets that make you more money. Okay? That's the way to do it. So 4 ways, right? So get your own business, invest in other businesses. That's the stock market. Some people, they'll say, oh, I don't have it in me to be a boss. I don't have it in me to run a company and this and that. So you know what then? Take the money you do make and put that money to work as fast as possible. Buy you some stocks, get you some dividends that pay you back more money. And when those dividends pay out, you take that payout and you buy more. Okay? That's the quickest way to build wealth. You put your money in a bank, right? What do they do with your money? You can have $100,000, if you have $100,000 in the bank, right, and you put in your savings account, they take that money, they leverage against the money that you have in there, and they go and buy stocks. Okay, that's how Citibank and Chase and Wells Fargo and all those guys make money. That's how a credit union makes money. They can give you loans because they have more people in their credit union that have the money in there. They leverage against your money to give you the loan to go get the car at a lower interest than a regular bank. Okay, they are leveraging your money. So it's on us to learn these rules, learn the house rules. Why don't we make money the same way the banks are making money? Why don't you take your $100,000 in savings, right? Get some stocks and some dividends. The bank's going to give you 0.02% interest, and they're going to try to make that sound real good. But you can go and buy dividend paying stocks. Like I got 2 stocks right now. One pays 35% and one pays 15%. Okay, that's just 2 of my dividend. That's 2 of my big dividend stocks right now. All right. Okay, then I have a bunch of other ones. You know, Nike pays a dividend. AT&T, Verizon, all the companies you know, majority of them pay a dividend. You buy the stock, you own the stock, and then either every month or every 3 months, they give you back money. You still own the stock, and they pay you for buying that stock and for holding it. That creates value because more and more people are coming into the market, and they want some Nike stock. They want some AT&T. They want some Verizon. Supply and demand. The more people that want it, the higher the price of the stock goes. Okay? So when they start to sell more stock, when they release, when Nike says, okay, you know what? We coming out with something special. We want to come out with a whole new line of this magical sweat-soaking t-shirts, right? So they take that money that you guys buy stock with, and they use that to create new clothes. What up, Mo? What's going on? I see you. All right. So that's what the companies do. And because you bought that stock, right, they now have money to go do that, and they reward you. It's either every month, every 3 months, or every year. Some pay every twice a year, so every 6 months, right? But you get paid, and then you can compound that just like a credit card. All right. You guys can take that money and just let it reinvest itself. All right. So I got stocks right now that every month they buy me 4 or 5 new shares. Okay. And then it's just going to build. And then a year from now, it's going to be 6 or 7 more shares. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how much I invest. But if I keep going at the rate that I'm at, playing the game the way that I am, the same way that I would take money and put it in a savings account, you know what I'm saying? I already have money set aside for my emergencies. Okay, everybody should do that. You put some money aside for your emergencies before you invest in anything. Okay, shout out to Savings Minus Debt. Get out of debt as fast as possible. Okay, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going to argue with that man when he's right. You can't be investing and at the same time you have high levels of debt. Okay, if you're paying 12%, 11%, 10% interest on a car, right, and then you have money in savings that's only paying you 0.02%, you're losing money, right? And then with the inflation and everything else, you can put as much money as you want in the bank. It's going down in value. Okay, they're printing money like it's going out of style. So every time they print another dollar, that means that there's more dollars in circulation, right? Supply and demand. The more there is available, the lower the value goes. How do I do that? Where am I at? Where's my camera? Let me move over a little bit. Okay. I'm going to say that again. The more that's available, the lower the value is. Anybody can get some, just like hose, right? If anybody can hit it, what's the value of this person, this chick, right? Same thing. So the same way that guys are thinking about women that are ran through, that's the way you guys should be thinking about your money. Don't let your money get ran through. Take your money and put it to work in the right way. Let it increase in value. Make your income go up. All right. So that's what I'm trying to tell you guys, man. Learn the rules of the game. In America, yo, there's two different sets of rules that we're playing by. We got the suckers bet and we got the winners bet. Okay. If you guys ever watch like the World Series of Poker and stuff like that, right? We always know who's going to be sitting at the table and during the World Series, right? Why? Because they're the best players. They know the game. They know the ins and outs, right? They know what to watch for. They know which glasses to buy. They know how to watch for people's ticks and stuff like that when they're bluffing. Okay, learn the rules of the game, guys. All right, like I said, every wealthy person in America owns stocks and owns real estate. Okay, so that brings us to rule 3. All right, or the third way to build wealth in America. Okay, buy land or real estate. That's the rules of the game, guys. Every single person that is wealthy in America owns land or real estate, buildings, houses. All right. That's for everybody, man. You guys got to learn these rules. All right. So let's see. Where am I at? Oh, okay. Real quick. Let me finish this off. The fourth way to build wealth in America is marry somebody that's wealthy. Okay. So that's it. You either get your own business, invest in other people's businesses, and crypto counts as other people's businesses. All right. So crypto and stocks, that's other people's businesses. All right. Land or real estate, and marry rich. Okay. So what's the notes I had here? Money is a tool. Wealth is a mindset. Okay. Again, the wealth mindset. You got to learn the rules of money. You got to know how to use your money to get ahead. Okay. What's about to happen when these CBDCs come online and they can track every transaction you make, they can tax you as soon as you get paid. We're going to get to a point where we don't even have to file taxes no more, guys. Why? Because as soon as you get paid, they're going to hit you just like that. They're going to take it before you ever even see it. All you're going to see is money going into your bank account. You ain't going to have to worry about paying taxes no more. That's coming. It might not be this year, might not be next year, right? But if you go look, XRP is going up in value. That's the banker's coin. Okay. I was just watching a stream today. Somebody deposited $9 million worth of XRP into their Coinbase account. What's up, Third Ward? Todo bien, papa? Right? So $9 million of XRP got deposited in somebody's wallet today on Coinbase. All right? So how does that happen? Coinbase is not letting you trade XRP. So why would I put my money, like, hey, I have some XRP in my Coinbase account, but I don't have $9 million of XRP in my Coinbase wallet. But somebody deposited $9 million worth of XRP in their Coinbase wallet. What does that tell me? That tells me Coinbase is about to come back online with XRP. Somebody that had $9 million worth of XRP deposited in their Coinbase wallet. Pay attention, guys. Watch what's happening out there. Coinbase is about to open it up. And when the floodgates open, when everybody that has Coinbase is able to go buy XRP that just shot up to $1.20, all right? $1.20 a piece. A bunch of us got in when it was 15 cents. Some people got in lower than that, right? But yeah, we all remember the 15 cents, 17 cents, 27 cents, 35 cents, 40 cents, right? Bunch of us got in when it was super cheap. Now it's sitting at $1.20 today. It's been going up and down all weekend, right? Okay. So watch what's happening, guys. XLM and XRP are moving. They're shooting up. XRP is the banker's coin. XLM is going to be the money that we use, me and you. That's going to be the money that, like, when we want to buy something, we're going to be most likely using XLM. The bankers are going to use XRP to move money from bank to bank in different countries around the world. Sorry, I think I got a mosquito bite or something the other night. So I'm not twitching. I'm not sniffing nothing. All right. But this is what I want you guys to pay attention to. All right. If you're not in crypto, at least know what's happening with crypto. Okay. Because your world is about to get flipped upside down as soon as these banks get online with all the digital dollars. Okay. All my dollars. That's right. They're going to tax you every time you spend something. Okay. They're talking about right now, this lady came out and just tried to say that anybody involved in crypto is going to get taxed. All right. So even if you just buy some crypto, when you go to cash out and use a little bit, like say you get your crypto up to like $500,000, okay, and you want to pull out $200,000 to go buy a house, they're gonna try and tax you on that $200,000. Even if you took $500,000 and swapped it to go get some Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever, right, and it didn't even grow, but when you go to turn it back into cash, they're trying to make rules right now where they can hit you right then and there. Just for trying to cash out your crypto, they're going to try and hit you and tax you just because it's cryptocurrency. Unless it's the cryptocurrency that they like. Okay? Learn the rules. Okay? Everybody's out there, everybody wants to be a baller. Everybody's got cash. Everybody's got money. I hope you guys know the new rules that are coming for your money. Okay? That's what this is about right here. I want you guys to learn where the money's going, what's happening with money. Okay? Because they are printing. Didn't they just sign like $6 trillion more into this stupid budget? Can we even count to 6 trillion? That's 6,000 billion dollars. All right? Say it again. Say it with me. $6,000 billion. Right? They just came out of nowhere. They talking about we in debt, the country's in debt and this and that, and they just printing money. They just throwing it out there. They at the club, just, you know what I'm saying? Just chucking bills. Some of them are folding it up and flicking it. All right? They're just throwing money at us. Okay? There's a whole bunch of things about to change, man. A bunch of people that never been in poverty about to be in poverty. Okay? And you see them, they're switching the rules all the time. All right? We see what's happening with the real estate. We see what's happening with the renters. All right? These guys are playing by a different set of rules than what we believe. If you're watching the news, okay, learn to read between the lines, guys. All right? Simple stuff, man. Simple stuff. All right. What else I put in here? There's a game being played. Start playing. Yeah, start playing the game. Okay? Learn the rules. Get in the game. Get involved. Okay? Put your money to work. Buy you some assets. And I'm not talking about a pretty car and this and that. If you're going to buy a nice car, rent it out. That's something you can do now on Turo and hire a car. Okay? You can now rent out your car. Like I said, start your own business, guys. There's money to be made out here. Okay? A lot of people. Put like this. When you leave your house, you see businesses everywhere. Okay? You should be getting ideas and you should be figuring something out because things are about to change. All right? We see them. They're trying to distract us, right? Right? Charlie and his flu, you know what I'm saying? Hey, they done thrown the Delta distraction at us. Okay? Meanwhile, you go look at what the SEC and the feds are doing with your money. Look at the new rules that they're printing and making. Look how much money they're just making up out of nowhere. Hey, I'm just saying. But they're going to distract us with the wars. All right, we're going back into Afghanistan 20 years later. You know what I'm saying? Nobody can even knows who the president of Afghanistan is, but we going to save him. All right, pay attention, guys. See what the world is, what your leaders are doing. Watch what the elites are doing. Okay. What I got here? Money is a tool, wealth is a mindset, financial freedom, man. You know what I'm saying? If you're not financially free, you ain't free. Okay. You can build yourself up a nice little nest egg that will set you apart from the rest of the people that are stuck in those situations where they have to wake up on Monday and go to work. All right. Like I said the other day, everybody hates Mondays. What did I say? I said that last week. I think it was Monday, wasn't it? Might have been Monday, Tuesday. I don't know. Whatever. Right? But Mondays, everybody hates Mondays. Why? Because they're forced to do something that they don't want to do. All right? But if you have financial freedom, okay, to me, it's not about just the money. The money is a stepping, it's a tool to build something else, your freedom. Okay. You can be homeless and free. Okay. Or you can be wealthy and free. All right. We've all seen those stupid memes and stuff. Like, I'd rather cry in a Ferrari than, in my Civic or whatever. Right. But you know what? If you start to go broke, you can sell that Ferrari for a lot more than you'll sell that Civic. Okay. If the money situation gets that bad and you have some assets that are valuable, if you own some stocks that you can sell to get you by for a month or two, right, until your next dividend payout comes out, all right, we could do that. 8:45. Okay, I'm about to get done. Thank you, babe. All right, we can do this, guys. We gotta build up some assets, some and investments that will lead to financial freedom. Okay. People say that money is the root of all evil and this and that. No, fuck all that. Money didn't exist when Eve bit the apple. Okay. For all you religious guys. All right. There was no money involved in that apple. All right. So no, money is not the root of all evil. Okay. So you guys can miss me with all that BS. All right. What I said, people hate to see someone do. Oh yeah, and all this, the people hate to see someone do better than themselves. All right, we got to stop hating, man. All the pocket watching and all that. You know what? If somebody is getting their bag, getting their money, by all means, you know what? Congratulate them. Learn what they did. Okay, they might be able to teach you something. If you don't got no money, figure out how to get that money. He said, Mike, you lucky you married a super rich chick. I bet she on Mariah Carey rich, 300 million net worth. How you know it's not Mariah Carey, bro? Huh? When she dumped that billionaire, you know what I'm saying? She got her little payout. How you ain't got Mariah Carey back there? Nah, y'all see my Facebook. You guys know what I'm working with. But yeah, so yeah, don't hate on people with money. All right. That's the last person you should be, especially in America. Why would you not try to learn from that person? You don't hear Puff Daddy talking crap about Jay-Z and vice versa. Jay-Z ain't out here talking crap about Puffy, right? They get into their money. Kanye getting his money, okay? They might call him crazy for his views, but they ain't saying he can't make no money and he broke. We got dudes come out here coming billionaires, but then we'll have broke people, broke motherfuckers down here. You know what I'm saying? They'll be on YouTube talking shit about Kanye. Okay? This is just examples, guys. Broke motherfuckers talking shit about Kanye. Make that make sense. All right. But yeah, man. Hey, shout out to Gerald Peters. Right? Those people who started following him and whatnot. You see what I'm talking about. Okay, dude's got 16 houses, just bought a like almost $1 million house or something out there in Louisiana, New Orleans. All right. Just bought a house, man. Just went out there and said, I like this one. I want this one. And he went and got it. All right. That's that financial freedom. He don't got to answer to nobody. All right. Except the people when they call him and say, hey, can I drop off the rent? Yeah. All right. So I do got to get going. I got to go pick up my daughter from work. Man, I want you guys to get in on this game. Okay. Learn the rules of the game, master the game. Okay. Don't matter what you do. You start making money, then put that money to work. Okay. Build up your nest egg, get out of debt if you're in debt. Okay. Put your emergency money to the side and everything after that. I'm not telling everybody to, eat ramen noodles forever. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, but you ain't got to spend ridiculous right now. What is that? Delayed gratification. You guys got to learn that little bit of patience, right? Do the work now to get the results later. All right. You can eat healthy. You know what I'm saying? Eat your salads and all that, but pay yourself. You make some money, pay yourself like a bill. Take some of that money, put it to work. Whether it's paychecks, whether it's you go out and you provide a service, or if you're selling something online, you know what I'm saying? Some of that money you should be reinvesting either into your business or into other businesses and getting yourself some assets that make you more money. All right. So with that, I'm gonna get out of here. You guys take care of your health, take care of your wealth, all right, and watch your mindset. Get your minds right, okay? If you're a hater, if you're hating on people that got money, stop it. Get some help. Stop it, all right? There's no reason for that. If you find somebody that's making money, you know what I'm saying, and you think you could get along with them for just a little bit, learn from them, do that. That's the smart move. Don't hate on somebody who's making money. Don't hate on people that are getting it. All right. Man, yo, hey. Yes, get your XRP, get your XLM. Okay. I'm throwing that out there. I got me some Safe Moon. Oh, okay. For those whoever's still in here, there's this new payment system out there called Alchemy. Okay. The crypto symbol is ACH. Okay, just like a clearinghouse, ACH. Go check that out. All right. It's a payment system, kind of like Square and Google Pay and all that. Right. But Shopify is using it, and there's a whole bunch of other companies. You go to the website. Okay. Look it up. It's ACH. You know what I'm saying? Type in Alchemy next to it, and it'll come up. ACH space and Alchemy. Right. It's a crypto coin you can buy. It's 8 cents right now, or was today, this morning. There's only 8 cents, but they're just like Square and stuff. But the good thing about them is they're going to accept payments in like hundreds of different cryptos and hundreds of different monetary systems. So they're taking real money and crypto money in their payment system. And so if you work with them and you have a website, you can put that payment system on your website. People can pay you in Ethereum and Bitcoin and XRP and XLM and all of it, right? Or they can pay you in dollars or yen, right? Or the yuan or euros, right? So you can take payments from anywhere in the world, all on your website. You guys go check that out, okay? That's my gift to you guys for sticking around with me. You know what I'm saying? And knowing I always got something, okay? But you guys go check that out. Look at the business. Go to the website. Look at the businesses that are working with Alchemy. Okay? This is already set up. They're already in business. Shopify is already in business with Alchemy. All the people that got Shopify businesses and stuff like that can now accept crypto payments and fiat payments if they use the Alchemy payment system instead of the Swift and the other BS, the Square and all that, PayPal, right? They might get Alchemy and start collecting. But all right, I got to get going. My daughter's going to be out there waiting for me. I appreciate you guys, man. Drink your water, exercise, stay healthy, all right? Get your mindset right. Don't hate, okay? And I will catch you guys on the next one, man. Hey, everybody have a good night. You guys take it easy. Aloha.